Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, big, humongous disclaimer. This is not a tutorial by any means because I have no idea what I'm doing. As you can hopefully see in the title, because I have no idea what I'm going to name this, it's sort of my attempt to look like an Instagram baddie. I hate that term, but that's what they're called apparently. And these are girls that have like the perfect brows, the perfect lashes, the perfect pout. I have no idea how I'm gonna manage this because I usually take on a really natural approach when it comes to makeup, but this is like a completely different, ooh, I just spat at you. I usually take on a very natural approach and a natural look, but these looks are very much like you can tell that you've got makeup on, and they look amazing, don't get me wrong, they look amazing, but it's not something that I would, you know, wear on a daily basis. Also, if you don't know who I am, my name's Anuja. I'm a Sri Lankan YouTuber and I do videos on music, lifestyle, beauty. So if you want to keep watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's just like a one click for you and it means that you support my channel. Also, I don't want any of you to think that you have to look like these people, these Instagrammers, these models to look good, because I don't, and I love my natural looks, but this is sort of like a challenge. It's just for fun, so don't take it too seriously, and yeah, bear with me and we will try and figure out how to do this. When I had to choose someone that I was going to sort of try and mimic, the first person that came into mind was Kylie Jenner. Like, I feel like she is the Instagram queen. Luckily, she likes rose gold looks, so this palette will be perfect for that because it's, you know, all about your rose gold colors. And this is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So I'll be using this and a bunch of other makeup to recreate an Instagram baddie look. So let's get started. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on my eyes first and then deal with the face, because I don't know, I think that's what they do. I'm not gonna bring the camera close because it's not a tutorial and it's just for fun, so I'm gonna keep it there and hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So as always, to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Original. Oh, this could literally end up being a disaster, in which case you won't see it, so that's good. If you are seeing this video, that means I did maybe a half decent job. So primed. Alright, I actually like some of the Kylie eyeshadow looks that she has on Instagram. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get this color, which is Low Blow, and I'm gonna put it on my crease. I'm just gonna blend that bit in. I think I'm gonna use the same color on my lower eyelids as well. Just really get in there because we're gonna put concealer and foundation on later anyway. And make sort of like a V shape in the corner. I'm gonna take the color He Devil and I'm going to use it on my outer corner. And just bring it to the middle as well. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit on my lower eyelids as well. Then I'm gonna take the color Cayenne and I'm just gonna build on my crease. It's sort of like a darker brownie or like a richer brown color. And just bring it above the crease as well. And just bring it underneath as well. I feel like I look like a brown panda. That's right, because we will blend the hell out of everything. The last thing I'm going to put is this color called En Fuego, and put it just in the outer corner. Just so that we can create a dimension there. If any makeup artists are watching this, please don't. Because I'm just defying all the rules in makeup probably. For my inner crease, I think I'm going to use this color called Lumbre. So get a little bit on your brush and pat that. Well, that's not too bad. And put it in the inner corner as well. And bring it down the bottom. And now what I'm going to do is actually blend everything in. So just use a clean brush and blend. Alright, now these girls have amazing eyeliner on with the perfect flick, so I'm going to try and do that. And I'm going to emphasize on the word try. For this I'm using my Urban Decay Razor Sharp Longwear Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the color Perversion. Let's draw the line first. And then go from the middle and just follow the line. After you put your eyeliner, the trouble is to match them up, like that's the hard part. Okay, I got bored doing my eyeliner, so I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. And for that I'm using my Benefit Beauties, which is the Ka-Brow Gel and the 24-hour Brow Setter. Another thing that they really like doing is to define their eyebrows a lot more. So I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Biscuit. And then I'm going to use my, I'm sure you're meant to use a brush, but I'm going to go with my finger. And I'm going to try and blend that with the eyeshadow as well. Alright, next I'm going to put mascara on, and I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'm going to put lashes on as well. Always try and prime your eyes with mascara before you put eyelashes on. Alright, I'm going to go put lashes on and I will be right back. They're actually quite big lashes. I have no idea if this is what they go for. I feel like this is a bit extreme. This is what I have, so I'm going to go with it. Next, what I'm going to do is put my foundation on, because I think it's going to bring everything together and make it look a lot cleaner. So when I want a really good coverage, what I do is I mix my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r with my NARS Sheer Glow foundation, and the Fenty Beauty that I'm using is 310, and this NARS Sheer Glow is in the color Syracuse. And use a beauty blender. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand. So we really want to brighten up underneath the eyes. And I'm gonna blend everything in. What I've done is I've actually gone over the lower eyelid as well, just because I feel like when the concealer goes on, it wipes off some of the eyeshadow. So just try and emphasize that. And try and bring out the color to the outer corner of the eye. Alright, contour time, and I'm going to use my iconic London Pigment stick in the color 3.2. So I think what they say is you sort of do like a 3 along the forehead, coming down to your cheekbone and then coming along to your jaw, and then blend. Next is highlighting, and I think I'm going to use a really concentrated one, which is the iconic London Illuminator drops, and this is in the color Original. You can pop it onto your hand and either use your hand or a beauty blender. Like, just be careful, this is really, really concentrated. I'm going to go along the nose. And I'm going to go sort of below the eyebrows as well. On my Cupid's bow. And a bit on the chin. Okay. I hope this is the last thing. I'm going to line my lips and then put lipstick on. I think most of them overline the lips, so I'm going to try and do that without looking like a hot mess. And the liner that I'm going to use is my MAC lip pencil in the color Cork. So this is my attempt in overlining. Try and overline like sort of the middle bit of your lip rather than the end. The lipstick that I'm going to use is Jeffree Star Leo, and I feel like this is a color that Kylie goes for often. It's quite a brown color, so depends on what you're into, but I'm going to try and make this work. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Rose Matter in the middle of my lips. I think we're done. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I have no idea why I'm wearing a cap inside the house, but anyway, I hope that you found it entertaining. Obviously, like I said, I go for the natural looks, but props to these girls, man. Like, they look amazing and they can rock it, and I'm all for girl power, but it does not mean that you have to look like that to feel beautiful, to look beautiful. I don't even know if I've done it justice. This is sort of my take on it. Let me know what you think. Give it a like if you enjoyed it and comment down below what else you want to see. This was actually one of the requests by one of you guys, so make sure you let me know what you want to see. And please subscribe if you want to keep watching my videos because it supports me and my channel. If you're on Instagram, add me because I might put in some photos that I took from this look, and it's just a way to sort of keep in touch in between my videos. I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna let you go. Have an amazing week ahead. I hope you're smiling. I hope you're happy. I will see you again with another video very soon. Bye guys.